Welcome to Lily and Heidi. Learn English together. Our channel is designed for English beginners of all ages, including adults who want to practice speaking and listening naturally every day. We offer a variety of learning methods to help you improve your English step by step. To make it easy for you to find what you need, we've organized our contents into 4 main playlists. English Stories. Learn English through stories. This playlist helps to improve your English skills through carefully selected English stories. Each video features English-only narration to help you develop natural listening comprehension. At the end of some videos, we provide Vietnamese vocabulary explanations and meaningful takeaways. Bilingual English-Vietnamese playlist. This playlist features easy English-Vietnamese stories videos. Each video in this playlist includes both English and Vietnamese narration, making it easy to follow and understand while learning new words and expressions. Playlist Shadowing Practice. Daily Conversations for Beginners. This playlist lets you practice speaking English in real-life situations. The language is natural, flexible, and spoken just like native speakers. These videos help you build confidence in listening and speaking. Besides, there are 4 shorts playlists that help you practice English more easily. Bite-sized videos in the shorts playlists are perfect for quick daily practice anytime, anywhere. Great for reviewing vocabulary, listening, or shadowing in just a minute. Start your English journey by choosing the playlist that suits you best. Don't forget to subscribe and learn with Lily and Heidi every day. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.